Watch the full video please.
What's up everybody, 360 Juice here, back with another video for you guys, and today I'm gonna show you a morning routine that I just recently started doing and I really love it. I see great result when I do this method, and in today's video I'm gonna show you this method. But enough talking, let's jump right into this video.
They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it.
Alright, welcome back guys. I'm gonna show you guys the products that you're going to need for this method. Now, before we get into the products, I don't want this to bring up any problems, any confusions, alright? I want to just say this. I used to promote a brand named 360 merch, alright? I really loved one of the products that they sent me to promote. Yeah, I had a discount code for them, but now I don't promote them anymore. So when I use their products, I don't use it on camera, but I still use their products. I don't expect you guys to understand, but it's business, all right? There's just some things you can't do when you are doing business. But for this video, I don't want this video to be about business. I don't want this video to be about money, because when I started this YouTube channel, I wasn't getting paid. It wasn't about money, all right? It was from the heart, like it was knowledge I was giving out to you guys, and I was happy that I was helping people out. And I don't want money to get in the way of that, all right? So for this method, you're gonna need a mirror. Definitely gonna need a mirror, okay? Next, you're gonna need a soft brush. This is a soft brush by 26 King Wavy. This is not an extreme soft brush, so if you wanna lay your hair down, this brush is not gonna do an amazing job at it, but it definitely is a soft brush with some pull, so you can definitely progress with this soft brush. This is why I love this soft brush. You can progress with it, and you can lay your hair down to a certain extent with it. Now, every time I go in with this soft brush, I don't end my session with this soft brush, because my hair don't be as laid as I want it to be. Every time I go in with this brush, this is a soft brush, every time I go in with it, I always finish up with a brush that's softer than this one, which is this one by 26 King Wavy. 26 King Wavy discontinued this brush, so I'm the only one that really has it. I guess I was the last person to have it, because this was his last one and he sent it to me. So you can't get this brush from 26 King Wavy anymore, but this is softer than this brush. So every time I go in with this brush, I always end with this brush. Now, for this method to work, this is where it gets, confusing, all right? 26 King Wavy, 26 King Wavy, and if you guys wanna get these products right here, well, not this one, but if you wanna get this soft brush, the link is down in my description. You use discount code JUICE15 to get 15% off. Now, there is a brush that's a lot softer than this one. So after I go in with this one, I go in with another brush that's softer, which is this brush by 360 merch, all right? I used to promote this brush, I think last year, and I love this brush with a passion, man. This brush is the softest brush I've ever used. I'm not promoting this brush, but for this method, you will need it. So therefore, I'm gonna link this brush down in my description. I'm not doing this for the money, guys. I'm not getting paid from this. I don't have a discount code for you guys. I do apologize for that. But if you guys wanna get this brush in order for this method to work for you, the link is down in my description. Go on 360 Merch website, and it's there. Now, no confusions. I promote 26 King Wavy. I have a discount code for y'all. But when it comes to 360 Merch, I don't promote them anymore. And it's nothing bad, all right? It's business, it's business, it's business. So when you guys get older, you understand how business works, then you know where I'm coming from. But for the method's sake, we're gonna use a 360 Merch brush on camera so you guys can get this method down pat. So enough talking, let's continue. Next, you're gonna need a do-rag and a wave cap, all right? Because you need to double compress for this method to work. Crucial ingredient to this is this 26 King Wavy hair growth oil right here, all right? This is gonna add shine. This is gonna seal in the products that you already have in your hair. It's gonna pop your waves out, all right? And last but not least, plastic bag. Now the plastic bag lays your hair down even more than the softest soft brush. So this method is a morning routine, and it is a lay down killer. It kills your lay down method. If you had any other lay down methods before this one, throw it in the garbage, because you're gonna need this one. You need 3 different soft brushes and the plastic bag. How laid can your hair be after this? And you're gonna double compress, all right? I know a lot of y'all think I'm speaking Japanese right now because y'all don't understand the lingo of waves, but you're gonna need 3 different soft brushes. One that has pull, but it's still soft to the point where it could lay your hair down, and another one that's softer than that one, and another one that's softer than that one, and a plastic bag, and double compression. I hope I didn't lose anybody. I talk too much. Let's just start brushing. First thing you wanna do is you wanna add the oil, okay? Now after you add the oil, that's it. You don't need it no more. So you wanna pick up the soft brush that has a little pull to it to, you know, pull your hair into place before actually laying it down. Now this is a morning routine, so you have to do it in the morning before you go out. So basically, I forgot to say this, this is the most important brush in this whole method, but you cannot go on with this brush since it has no pull. Well, it has pull, but it's not 100%. Like, this brush has 10 times more pull than this brush. That's why when it comes to laying my hair down, I can't do it with this, because if a brush has a lot of pull, it lifts it up. This one has almost zero pull. So when it comes to laying my hair down, that's why this is so much easier and so much better at that. So that's why I said if you don't have this brush right here, this method is not gonna work to its maximum. So yeah. And don't go with the side. You see this side that has the white part on it? Don't go in with that side. Go in with this side. If you're going with this side right here, your hair's gonna turn white, because this is gonna go onto your hair. It's gonna make it look white, all right? Don't use this side. Use the side that has no writing on it, the clear side, this one. now that you're done with the plastic bag, now you want to lay everything down. After you do this, don't just get out and not rag up. Remember what I told you, the do-rag is crucial because it helps keep your hair laid, it adds shine to your hair, and it also saves progress. Don't go to sleep without a do-rag because all this I just did right here, you see? Looking decent and everything, yeah, blah, blah, blah. If I go to sleep without a do-rag, it's gone. I just wasted my time. So you wanna take that do-rag and you wanna put it on. Now this do-rag tying method is used when you're wolfing. If you're not wolfing, there's no need to do it. Since I have a little bit of hair, I'm gonna double compress. If you're wolfing, double compression will help you keep your hair laid. It's gonna make it look like you're not even wolfing, all right? Even if you're like 12 weeks wolfing, the double compression, even triple compression sometimes, could make you look like you're not even wolfing. You wanna get a 2/6 King Wavy wave cap and a 2/6 King Wavy do-rag, all right? I'm gonna have all that linked in my description. You guys want some? Go check it out. Use the discount code JUICE15. You get 15% off. So first thing you wanna do is you wanna make sure the 2/6 King Wavy do-rags is like this. This is the inside, right? Now the outside is more saturated. You see the colors even more, okay? This is the inside, this outside. Any do-rag that you have, you wanna make sure the shark fin, I call this a shark fin, is on the outside. So watch. You wanna make sure the shark fin is on the outside because if not, you're gonna have a big mean line in the middle of your head because of this right here. So you wanna pull this down all the way to your nose. I'm not gonna be able to see right here. Am I recording? Yes, I am. So watch closely. Boom, right? And then you wanna do the same thing with the wave cap. Make sure the shark fin is on the outside. Now the do-rag is on your nose. You wanna make sure you pull everything in tight. And you wanna put the wave cap over the do-rag. All right? And you just wanna flip this one back right here. Flip it back. Make sure it's tight, pull it down. Make sure it's compressing your waves. And you wanna pull the do-rag down tight. Pull it back down tight, boom. And now what you wanna do is, you wanna lift this up. Make sure everything is aligned right. Cool. You wanna lift this up. Now you just wanna go and tie it like you would regularly. Now with the 2/6 King Wavy do-rag, it's very different. Pay close attention. You wanna hold this, right? If you go like this, the 2/6 King Wavy mark, the logo is not gonna be shown because this is the outside, this is the inside. You want this to be flipped. So let's go back. Now this is how you do it. You wanna make sure everything is flat. You can leave it like this, or you can roll it up like this. All right. Now you don't want to leave this on your head all day because the tightness of it, the compression of it might give you a headache. But you could leave it on for 2 to 3 hours, and then once you unrag, your hair is gonna be extremely laid. This is a dope method to do before going out. You wake up, you do this method. It doesn't have to be 30 minutes. You could brush for 5 minutes each brush, plastic bag, and double compress. It's not gonna take all day, 20 minutes max. You do this, leave the do-rag on for 2-3 hours, you unrag and you go about your day. Your hair is gonna look extremely laid, and it's gonna look perfect. It's gonna look like you have a kid on, but it's natural. So I actually did an unrag yesterday because I did this method yesterday and it worked so well I wanted to show you guys. So I did a short video yesterday. If you guys didn't watch it, I'm gonna have it at the end of this video to show you guys the results because I'm not gonna be able to show you guys the results for this one 2 to 3 hours from now, I'm not gonna come back and record because I'm actually about to edit this video so I can upload today. And it's a busy day. So I'm not gonna show you guys the unrag of today, but I am gonna show you guys the unrag of yesterday because I did the same method yesterday. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. Hope you got something out of it. So if you guys enjoyed it, please make sure to leave a like, comment, share this video with your friends, your family, whoever's trying to get weight. Share it and help somebody out. If you're new to the channel, please smash that subscribe button for your boy. Road to 400,000 subscribers. And I'm looking forward to seeing you in my next video. Peace.